Inchik, tell them what we're making today.
We're making a Mar-Gore-ita.
Okay, gore. C-O-G-O-R-E. Say it one more time.
Like Shrek. Mar-Gore-ita.
Okay.
Mar-Gore-ita.
Are you ready?
I don't know.
Let's make this drink!
Woohoo!
Happy Halloween, everybody! It's the cocktail artist, Mar-Gore-ita. Okay, here goes. Look at the little eyeballs looking at us. That is black salt. We actually got that from Iceland, okay? And we have corn syrup. And so we can use that corn syrup to stick that black salt to the rim of our margarita glass, okay? If you don't have black salt, you could use food coloring to get your salt black. Okay, ice in our glass, come behind with a little bit of tequila. Okay, there it goes, beautiful, Mexico's finest. Come behind with a little bit of melon liqueur to get that nice green look. You know Halloween's all about being green. Then we come with the cocktail artist premium margarita mix with yours truly on the bottom. Look at that smile, so sexy. Look at me, Mom. Okay, now we shake. Drop a little bit of dry ice in the bottom. Put some big regular ice over the top of some big ice. Okay, you could go big if you want. Pour in that mix, stick some eyeballs on it. Beautiful. And there you have it. The Mar-Gore-Rita. You see what I'm saying?
Gore.
See, that's right.
We should like nail it, you know, like the whole like sound effect.
Okay.
Of the
And this is the
Mar-Gore-Rita.
You sound like you're straining.
I'm trying.
No, I mean
okay?
like, you know, like,
Like I'm on the toilet.
yeah, you have to eat too much and it's not that, okay? It's scary,
Well,
okay?
how is that? Like Gore?
Okay, that's how you
Okay,
walk?
let's do it again.
Okay.
Let's do it again.
Okay, and there you have it, the
Gore-Rita.
Okay, I don't know, man.
No, goddamn! I need to watch Shrek all over
No, you need to
again.
stop straining. Okay, ready? Taste! See?
Okay. Cheers, guys. I love how we use instead of plastic straws, we use the paper straws. Let's save the turtles.
Exactly. So we're saving turtles and we're goring it up with the Mar-Gore-Rita, okay? You know what these are? Guys, so what we did, just so y'all could see this, okay? So
Blueberry. We're losing our eyes.
So that's the lychee, and we just stick a blueberry in, and now you got an eyeball. You see what I'm saying?
Can I try it?
Yeah. Yeah, you want to eat it?
Yeah, I want to eat a real eye, like Shrek, like ow.
Like you've been at home just thinking, I really want to eat an eye.
Eyes are delicious.
What kind of eyes you eat before?
Only this.
No, I mean, you just say eyes are delicious. And I don't think you were talking about this. The way you said it, you said like this is something I do often.
Well, I was trying to be funny. Okay?
No, you were not trying to be funny. That's like, you know, I eat eyes a lot. Whose eyes have you eaten?
Just these ones, I swear. I promise. Okay, if I'm Russian, doesn't mean I'm evil. Every time I say something.
I never say nothing but Russian, never say nothing but evil, okay? But
every time I'm on camera, you say hello to Putin. Every single time.
I did not say hi to him this time.
Every
Thank
single
you for
time.
watching, sir. I
you
appreciate it.
You always ask me to translate a speech into Russian to Putin. Hi, Vladimir.
I did not say anything but Russian today, okay? Hey, want one more eye?
Okay. Does it have blueberry inside?
Yes.
Okay. I'm not kidding.
The way, I don't know. I sense that this is not something that she's doing for the first time. And the last time was probably real.
No, I'm trying to act like Shrek.
Probably
That's
threatening
all.
the landlord. I'm late with the rent? Watch this. Is that an eyeball?
No, I'm trying to
Don't even worry about the rent.
Shrek.
Don't even worry about the rent. You just stay here as long as you want. You don't even need to pay. Okay?
Yeah, right.
Anyway, guys, listen here. Go to the store. Grab a couple of these.
Those are delicious.
Yeah, go take.
Look at this pretty face on this bottle.
Yes, I know.
Who picked this photo?
Because I'm a sex symbol. That's why they put me on it. Okay, it wasn't even because of the bartending thing. And they're like, hey, bartending wise, we're not impressed, but you are a sex symbol. Could you be on the bottle? I'm like, you know what?
So you're just modeling?
Yeah, I was like, hey, can I do it with the shirt off? And they're like, yeah, but the sales would be too high. You don't want to do that.
They don't want to feed the nipple.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what I mean? The sales were too high, and they had to put a shirt on me. You know what I mean? I didn't want to wear a shirt, ladies. Okay.
Let's see your nipples.
No, I'm not taking my shirt off because I'm too ripped. I'm too ripped.
Well, he's on the diet for the last 5 years, all the time that I know him. We gotta see the result of 5-year diet.
Did you taste some of this?
When is it gonna end?
Hey.
I wanna share ice cream with you.
I know, but when you're a sex symbol, you don't need to stick it in people's face. That's why I try to keep a shirt on. Now taste this and
How many packs do you have?
I have an 8-pack, okay? They don't even make them.
I think it's one round pack with a nipple, like with the belly button in the middle. Like a donut. Like a donut pack.
Just let me throw this in. This is the only margarita mix you can drink straight from the bottle. You know what I mean?
Let me try. Let me try.
Sometimes I walk in the store and
Do
be
you
like,
need to shake it?
no, it's already, you need to shake it like, yes, but we already shake it.
You should have put it on the bottle. Shake it and keep it sexy.
Okay. But hold on, what'd you taste?
It's actually good.
It's like
wow.
a drink, right?
I'm proud of you.
Don't be proud of me.
Good job.
Yeah, I know I'm sexy. Thank you very much, ladies.